This customer said his car's running a little hot. I have no idea what it could be. Yep. When your brother's brakes go out, so you strap your Chevrolet to his Ford to use your Chevrolet's brakes to stop his Ford to get his truck home. Yo.
Oh shit. Christ, welded to it.
Customer states car came in with farting noise.
Pour it from the side. You fill that right up. Pour it from the side. One quick flick.
Yeah. Only the mechanics out there will know what's wrong here. Yeah. Why? Why did you do that, bud?
Oh boy. That can't be good. Oh my! This is full of parts, Keith.
It's a Tesla! It's a Tesla! Go, go, go! I don't care! Go where?
Oh my god! Oh my lord! Manny, just go, just go, just go, just go, just go! Manny, go, 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 go!
Okay, so I found something really special under this Jeep that I can't wait to show you. Oil catch can, baby. Look at this. Oh yeah, you know she's about plumb full too. This is stuff you cannot make up, ladies and gentlemen. I'm at a loss for words.
Customer states noise when turning left, like whistling.
I'm sleepy.
Hey, sir.
All right, look at this right here. This is catch can. You look here. He's got this line going in. Let's follow this line all the way back on this race car. The hose goes through his seat. Custom goddamn switch panel right there. Custom use only. That hose goes all the way back here. All the way back to this dumb propane tank for more power. Oh my God. But don't think that he is not safe, because this has a 5-point harness hooked directly to his headrest. So for safety, it's got a custom gauge cluster with a performance turning knob. This right here is one hot ride.
Customer states, here's water sloshing around while driving. Oh no. Oh God. This is it. The video's gonna end before I have time to do it. Oh, God. Start the video. No. Oh God! Look at the water! Oh my God, dude, that's not real. Oh my God. She's hurt. Oh my God.
Dang, we got a fuel leak from the exhaust. How is that possible?
Here's one I'm gonna share with you guys today. Oh! Oops. What drain plug?
Oh, the weight. The weight. Oh my God. Super fun picking these up there. You guys ready? Just. Yeah, there's a pretty little. That's a little better. Good Lord. Is anybody hungry? Want a snack? God damn. Can't make this up.
Any help?
I'll just pull this whole thing out. What a mess. Oh, surprise. More walnuts. Son of a beastie. This is just from dropping the fender liners and the lower shield.